Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to change your profile picture on Facebook without making a post about it. We have two methods to achieve this, so let's get started. Method 1, if you already posted your profile picture on your profile, go to Facebook and click on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines at the bottom right of your screen. Select your profile from the menu, scroll down to your feeds and locate the post where you change your profile picture. Click on three-dot icon and select Edit Privacy. Set the privacy to Only Me. This ensures that only you can see this specific post and no one else will be notified about your profile picture update. Method 2. To avoid posting updates about your profile picture in the future. Go to your profile and click on the camera icon next to your profile picture. Tap Select Profile Picture. From the option, choose the picture you want to use and make any adjustments if necessary. Click on Done. Disable the Share Your Update to News Feed option. Click on Save. By disabling this option, your profile picture update won't be posted on your news feed. You'll notice that when you go to your profile, there won't be any post about your recent profile picture update. And that's it. See you in the next video.